Welcome back to The Rhode Show. This morning in The Buzz, everyone is getting excited about Halloween, planning their costumes for this year. But if you're thinking about donning a Mexican mariachi suit or a geisha gown,
that's what I was going to do.
You may want to think twice. I don't know who would ever wear either of those things, but students at Ohio University are launching a campaign to make people think twice before reducing a culture to a caricature. Their message: we're a culture, not a costume. These are some of the pictures from their campaign. Can't really see the picture. We've got the little thing over there. But anyway, with students holding photos of different racial and ethnic stereotypes in costumes, such as a Mexican donkey costume, a geisha, even a guy in a traditional Muslim apparel with a bomb strapped to his chest. And whether you agree with it or not, it is raising the question about what is considered to be offensive. All right, so we're not talking necessarily about something that's offensive just because it's like dirty or raunchy or whatever. We're talking about just a cultural offensive costume. So what do you think?
I think, you know, I feel like a geisha is kind of pushing it, because I understand you're not saying that the entire culture is, you're just a geisha, this is how you always dress, things like that. But geishas do exist, like that is an actual thing. So if you're dressing appropriately to how they would dress, that's fine. But I think you're taking it definitely a step or five too far when you start taping a fake bomb to your chest. And
I think the campaign is a little ridiculous, to be honest with you. I mean, I might offend some people by saying that, but I think on Halloween it's sort of like a little bit, not all bets are off, but I mean that's kind of the point.
A lot goes.
You know, and a lot goes. And you know, the mariachi thing, I mean, it's like,
you know what, there's always people that feel the need to take things a step further than needs to be taken.
I mean,
but I'm just talking about people with their costumes. Everyone's going to be out to prove a point.
Right.
You know, it's like, oh, this is my one opportunity to go out and be a turkey and just be, you know, and make a statement.
And maybe they are being a turkey.
Maybe they are. You know, with a bomb strapped around their tummy.
Right.
They're not going to get pardoned like those two turkeys that are going to the White House.
Right.
In any event, you know, I just think, you know, it's like, it bothers me.
On both sides, I think.
On both sides, but I just can't stand when people use like holidays as an opportunity. I don't even know if Halloween's a holiday, but to make a point or make a statement. You know,
I would say that Halloween is a holiday, for the record.
Okay.
Second, yeah, I feel like a lot more goes. Like you said, I mean, this is always the holiday for girls or women to kind of dress a little more scantily clad than other times. No one really says anything regarding that, because hey, it's Halloween. One night, it's acceptable.
That's what I'm saying. It's like everybody gets offended by different things. So, I mean, you know what I'm saying? Everybody could do a campaign to say, well, this offends me, or that particular costume offends me. So I think the whole morose face of the student holding the picture, it just, for me, seems a little much. I mean, it's one day out of the year. It's not like we're all dressing up like these things all the time. I just think it's too much.
I have to say, I am somewhat guilty of this. I dressed up as Flavor Flav one year, and did I darken my face and everything?
So what?
Yes,
That's
I did, but that's because I was trying to look as close to that costume as possible. I gotta say, did pretty good. Big clock around the neck, and
that's the thing. You're trying to take on a character.
The PC police need to chill on this one.
Thank you, Patrick.
You're welcome.
I agree.
You know, if it's one thing, Courtney, if someone goes and dresses up as, you know, Osama bin Laden for Halloween, you know, that you're just asking for trouble, because there's no reason to do anything like that. That's
and I
just
think in that case, it's the person that dressed up as them that's asking for it.
Absolutely. Yeah, and I don't know, are these costumes even for sale? I'm sure sometimes people are just kind of creating them, right? I haven't really found anyone yet who's offended. They're offended by the people who are offended, if that makes any sense. I'll read those comments on Facebook. Let's head on the live blog on foxprovidence.com. And Jerry said, it's a holiday, people. You should just go with the flow and have fun. Joe said, I say on Halloween, you should feel free to dress up in any costume that you want. People really need to relax. So here's the poll today. It's right underneath the live blog. Are you offended by costumes that portray cultural stereotypes? A, yes, ethnicities aren't a joke or costume. B, no, Halloween is a light-hearted holiday. So you can weigh in there, and then you can also head to our Facebook page if you happen to be on there this morning. And Dean Harrington said, I'm offended by people who want to define for us what an acceptable portrayal of culture is. Kevin Oliver said, I'm more offended that every year some group or organization complains about this holiday and the media gives them airtime. And Eric Raposa said, the one wearing the costume will think it's funny, but the person being stereotyped most likely won't like the stupid costume. So if you guys want to leave a comment, you can do so. Maybe we'll read some more. We'll definitely have the poll results for you and see what you all say at the end of the show.